If you are wondering if Motorola Edge 70 Pro supports bypass charging, then the answer seems to be unfortunately no. It seems that the phone does not have a dedicated bypass charging feature. Usually, such a feature is available while playing a game if you go to the Game Turbo panel, but unfortunately you won't find such a thing on this phone. And of course, sometimes it is available by going to battery settings. But in here, if you go to battery settings, you will not find anything like that either. So unfortunately, it seems that it is just simply missing. You might think maybe you can use the battery protection to set up the 80% limit so that you can charge the battery to 80% and then you can use the bypass charger. And I guess technically that might work, but I don't actually think this can be treated as like a true bypass charging feature. Only like a small workaround, which might not even work as intended. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.